Guys, this is Toading and my bad. Hello guys, this is Toading Game Collector, and we're gonna open this special card, right, dude?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open this up.
And we haven't showed this on the card.
Yeah, this is a small little card.
We haven't showed this on the channel.
Yeah, long time. This is the old card, and this is all the animals. Do this. Okay,
all the frogs.
No, I think all the let's see.
Ooh, that was easy. That easy?
Yeah.
No, maybe not. That's why.
Got it. And what? Oh, some more. Ooh, we have good ones.
I check them.
You checked it, okay?
Okay. This is frog.
Oh, I think this is all frogs. This is a toad. I forgot where a toad is. And this is they have a new one. They have a banana. Oh, I forgot. Golden frog, and here's the.
That's a frog.
And that one is
a normal frog.
Yeah. It's so weird. Okay, this is so cool, guys. This too. You know what?
Maybe
look at the back.
You know what frog I wanted?
Yeah, what?
I wanted the one like free frog.
Oh. And look at this too. Wow, look at this too. This first one is Dear Friends. Dear Friends. Took a long, those beautiful rectangle. I don't know this. And this say Top Trim, how to play. And this is Top Friends, the world of card game. You need a card to get this. I know that on this one. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm leaving a comment below. You like this? Bye. Hey, dude, say bye.
Bye. I want the red eye free frog next time.